R. Kelly's legal troubles span decades, starting in the 1990s when multiple women came forward with allegations that he had sexual relationships with underage girls, leading to civil lawsuits that were often settled out of court. In 2002, he was indicted in Chicago on 21 counts of child pornography after a video allegedly showed him involved in sexual activity with a minor, but in 2008 he was acquitted after the jury found there was reasonable doubt about his identity in the footage. Throughout the 2010s, more allegations continued to surface involving claims of grooming, controlling relationships, and abuse, but no major criminal conviction had been secured at that time. In 2019, renewed attention exploded after the documentary Surviving R. Kelly brought widespread public focus to decades of accusations, leading law enforcement to reopen investigations. That same period led to his arrest on federal charges in both Chicago and New York, including racketeering, sex trafficking, and child exploitation. During the New York federal trial in 2021, prosecutors argued that Kelly ran a criminal system that used his fame, money, and associates to recruit and control victims, while multiple witnesses testified to experiences of grooming, manipulation, isolation, and long-term abuse. One witness, Geronda Pace, testified she was abused as a teenager and continued contact with Kelly into adulthood, while others described strict rules and control over their daily lives. In 2021, he was found guilty on all major federal charges in New York, including racketeering and sex trafficking, and in 2022 he was also convicted in a separate Chicago federal case involving child pornography and enticement charges. He was sentenced to 30 years in federal prison in the New York case, with additional sentences adding more time, and he is currently serving a long-term prison sentence. Throughout the trials, his defense argued that the relationships were consensual and challenged the credibility and motives of witnesses, but the courts ultimately sided with the prosecution in both major federal cases.